What's up, people? Welcome to Z Chronicles episode 2. You guys saw some of the parts that we had. These two parts came in. I was waiting for these two parts. We're going to drop the car off at Auto Science to get this installed because, you know, the bolt kits replaces almost every single bolt, and some of these bolts require a torque spec. So I'm not even going to play with that. I'm just tightening everything when it requires a certain torque spec. So we're going to take it to the shop, let them handle. So these are the two parts I was waiting for. Kind of hurrying up because we're about to go drop the car off. So look what we got. HKS caps. We got two HKS caps in here. We placed the two caps in the Z, and you always saw it coming. We got radiator hoses. So now we got those in. Got the bolt kit. Got the carbon fiber valve cover. We're good to go. They can go ahead and install all this stuff. Again, you guys saw me. Oh, you do the Honda is very annoying. So I'm going to shop take care of this. I'm about to drop the car off right now. Don't forget this is the Neo Chrome oil cap. This is the Z spec bolt kit that replaces every single bolt in Enginebay. And like I said, we're going to get all this stuff swapped out, get the radiator flush with the new hoses. Might as well go ahead and obviously get the tires checked out, and probably go ahead and do oil change, get it all done in one shot. That way we're good to go. And yes, I can't show you yet. I did get another part for the Z. I actually got a major part, but it's not here yet. You guys will see it soon. Let's head to the shop and get this dropped off. Alright, the shop has been a while since I've done this on the Z. Let's get a code start. And yes, before you guys say something, yes, I did fix the exhaust hanging off the hanger, put it right back on. So look, we're good to go. Let's go ahead and head to the shop right now. We gotta head there, get there quick so we can drop the shit off.
Just grinding. Haters wanna hate that I made, never mind them. Be more bitch, tryna reach the next plateau. And I can't stop till I achieve my goals. Keep a couple bees inside the photo, so official with the vibe, you ain't fuck up my soul. Hold on for a minute, let me count mine. You know. They know what's out on my name. Ooh, they let it throw shame. Young nigga paid, family straight. Diamonds in my chain, just doing my thing. Next just drag, nothing here average. A barber ashes, simple and plain. Ballin' when it's sunny, but I keep some cheddar stack for the rain. Yeah, I keep some cheddar stack for the rain. Save some fees and they all on my team. Rollin' my life.
That's 2000. Okay, we're Auto Science, dropping off the car. When I run in there, tell them what we're gonna do. And if I can wait, I can wait. If not, I'll be back later. Good thing about YouTube, you guys get to skip to the good parts. Yeah, S2000 on the hardtop, badass. What's going on? Alright, thank you, Dom. Just quick, I'm actually on my way to work. They got majority of the bolts in. The radiator hoses didn't fit, they were too short. I'm about to order a set of Mishimoto hoses. We'll get those swapped out next week, but everything else got on. So we're just gonna check it out real quick. So they placed the bolts that you could actually see the titanium bolts. And that looks pretty freaking good. The HKS cap didn't work for the coolant overflow, so what we're gonna do is cut the cap and make it work. But yeah, you really gotta look to see some of these carbon bolts like that. Awesome. So we'll go, we'll take a look at it. Yeah, but I'm on my way to work. Like I said, I'm really happy with the way it turned out. We're definitely gonna get some radiator hoses. Like I said, I'm gonna order that like right now. And then we're gonna, so I'm not gonna end the video yet. I'm gonna order the hoses. When those hoses come in, we're gonna put on, and then we'll be back. So for me, it's probably gonna be like a week. For you guys, it's gonna be the next clip. That's right, guys. Trying to get back to Auto Science. I was gonna cut that, but somebody apparently spun off the road and ran into the side of the bridge. Sucks. Be careful when you're driving. Pay attention when you're driving. That's why I don't vlog. Look at that. That's why I don't vlog and drive at the same time. Wow, that was 30 minutes right there. Yeah, be careful when you're driving, guys. That's it for you guys. Here you go. Here's the new radiator hoses. They said that these JDM hoses are too small in diameter. That's why they didn't fit. So I ordered some brand new hoses right here. So let's see if we can get these thrown on right now. That's why we're here. Get these thrown on. And also this other cap is going to cut the bottom off so it fits. So I have two HKS caps. Right into a Viper on the way back. Okay, so everything's done now. We got the new ISR hoses in there. Don't get that JDM hose shit. see the both in there and the bolts. So everything's done. Got everything installed. We got the Z1 intake, the hoses. We got both HKS caps in. And remember, the cap that goes right here is for the coolant overflow. You can't use a regular cap like I did. You have to actually cut the bottom of it off the spring. So they cut that bottom of it off, it'll fit in here just nicely because you can't change that pressure. There you guys go. Badass. So this video is going to be effectively over. Actually, you have to go to work. So if you guys have any questions, post them down below. Please comment, subscribe. Again, anything you guys want to know, look at all that. That Neo hardware is freaking awesome. So we got a bolt kit in both the Honda and we got both kit in the Z. So Z's coming along. I don't know what part's going to be next in the Z Chronicles, but we'll see. Actually, I do know what part. That's a lie. I'm still waiting for it to come in. So as soon as that part gets in, we'll be back in the shop to get some more work done to the Z. Again, click, comment, subscribe. Make sure you guys click the like button. Don't skip the ads. See you guys next video. Peace. Alright, and we're home, and there's the Series X, awesome Series X. And I told you guys I'd give you the update as the stock came in. I'm also going to tell you currently what's going to go live, coming up, current day. There you guys go. Not playing no games, not no jokes. These are all secured, not using a bot. This console's so easy to get. As you guys can see, I'm missing a copy of Watch Dogs. I gotta go pick that up today. Finally, that's probably got it in. There's another one right there. Okay, so if you guys want to obtain Ps5 again easily, I'm about to show you what's currently going live. I'm not gonna do a live stream or any of that nonsense. I'm just gonna simply show you what's going live. Again, trying to get a singular console is going to be extremely difficult. It's just going to be hard. There's only like 2 places that are going to be going live with a singular console, and your chances of getting those is slim. Bundles are the way to go. So let's talk about this website right here. They go live every single day at 7:55 Central Standard Time. You can do the conversion yourself. Yes, the bundles are a little bit pricey. As you probably saw earlier in this video, I bought 2 of the bundles. One of them's here. The other one, as you saw, I gave to my brother. It's at his place with all the extra stuff, but you can see the prices right there. It is what it is, people. You want to secure the bag this year, or secure the bag at all? Yes. So there you go. It's a trade secret right there. That's awesome. Control talks to you. Also, GameStop for you guys. I got 2 off of GameStop for you guys that want to know. Type in Ps5 as you see right there. And when you type in Ps5, there's a little trick for you guys to be the first to know for GameStop. Once it loads, select the PlayStation 5. And once you select PlayStation 5, make sure you just click right here on consoles. When you click on consoles, it's going to show you everything they have up. Now look at this. You see how it's just empty? Before GameStop goes live, they're going to populate with whatever bundles they're going to sell. So if you see nothing here, they ain't going live. You see something here, that's going to go live, like usually that day. So you could always click on the new bundle, the new link or whatnot, and have it ready to go, and just keep refreshing that. Before they even post, hey, come eat, you're already there, add the cart, done. As you guys have probably figured out, by the time you get the tweet and you go, then you click on add the cart, you get the add the cart glitch, you'll never get in your cart. That's how I was able to get from GameStop. Pretty simple. Sam's Club, you see the bundles back? They are good. That makes 3 I've gotten through GameFly. Here's another one. The ultimate bundle, every single accessory, etc. I'll set up with the rest of the PS5s, and let's go ahead and get all these PS5s out of here. But that's plenty of PS5s. No more PS5s for me. I prove a point. No bots. Got over 12. Let's get it. I think I might end the video here. I think I just want to include this, or maybe I'll set them all back up again. But if I do, don't forget to click like and subscribe. As far as from this point, it's going to be hit or miss as far as you guys getting the console. It's going to be very difficult to get one from Walmart as Walmart shut down, Brick Seek, Pop Finder, etc. Because some people have been going in the wild and out acting crazy over these PS5s. I got to tell you guys, get them online. They're not really, it's not hard. Just got to be willing to buy bundles. Forget trying to get a single console for $499. Be prepared to pay at least $700 to $1,000, and you can get a PS5 easily. Again, guys, if you have any questions below or you need any help, post down in the comments. Later, guys. I'm out. Alright, finally got everything set up and cleaned up. You see I got all the RGB lights on and set up. There you go. You see I changed out all the LED lights in the Ps5, as well as I have a custom, you guys might know, but the Afterglow headset that does change colors as well. That will change like an RGB. And then of course you guys already know we had the TV going with the RGB lights, as you see it changing right there. And we gotta complete it with my custom made Baby Yoda. What's up, little fella? Yes, that is rainbow. Yes, you are saying correctly. Alright guys, I'll show you what I did with the LEDs, changed them on that one. Yeah, Baby Yoda. But just got this one from the Walmart drop on the 2021 or whatever. This one's actually sold right now. I'm about to go deliver this one, get out of here. It's probably going to be the last video I make on the consoles as far as buying them. They're not really hard to get. As you guys see, if you've been watching the videos or watched the videos, I had like 30 of them. So I got 2 left, 1 disc, 1 digital. You guys are looking out, need help getting one, just let me know. We're going to hop right back on the car content, get this done.